What's up YouTube? Your boy Chef Fix in the building today with another recipe. And today, this recipe was requested by one of my subscribers. Wanza Joseph, big up to yourself. Today I'm making the Jamaican sweet and sour chicken. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using about 2 pounds of chicken breast here that we're using. And one of the main questions most of my subscribers ask me, can you use the chicken with the bone in it still? Most of the sweet and sour chicken persons use boneless. But today I'm going in with the bone in the breast part of the chicken, same way. Alright, so this is how I'm using it today. We have some all-purpose flour here that we're using. Alright, and then I have my dry mix here. I'm using half tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, all-purpose, salt and pepper. Mix up right there. So that is what we're going to go in with to season our chicken. Alright, so stay tuned. Chef Fitz in the building with sweet and sour chicken. Alright?
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What do you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so let's start work on our chicken first. Get it seasoned and ready. Alright, so we're going with all our dry season that we mix here. We're gonna pour it on our chicken, as you can see. Alright, let's bring it closer. We're gonna go in with 1 egg. Alright, so the reason why I'm using 1 egg, the egg helps to hold the butter when you put it onto the chicken breast. Alright, going with 1 egg. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our hand and we're gonna mix this nicely. Alright, stir up this nicely. Sweet and sour chicken, boy. And get it ready. Ready, we're gonna deep fry it so you can see it. It's ready now. Ready for the pot. We're gonna leave this to marinate for about 2 hours. Alright, you know we like when we season soaking of the meat. Alright, so we're going with some cornstarch here to season our butter. So we're going with about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch here. Then we're gonna go in with use some chili powder, just to get a nice little flake taste. You know that heat you're looking for. Little all-purpose, about ½ teaspoon, not a lot, and just a pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. Alright, and then a pinch of pepper. Good. Alright, so we're gonna mix this nicely and get it ready for our chicken. Alright, so let me quickly introduce you to some of my ingredients for the sauce. Alright, I'm using about 3 tablespoons of white vinegar here. Alright, using also 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Alright, that's gonna give that acidic taste with the vinegar. Also, we're using brown sugar, which gonna give that sweetie taste. Alright, here we have some fresh pineapple. Alright, nicely cut up as you can see. Alright, we have some bell peppers. We have the green, the yellow and the orange. As you can see how I cut up these bell peppers, nicely thick and nice. Alright, we also have some green onion, no, white onion that we're using. As you can see, I cut them up on the same size, just like how I cut up the bell pepper. Also, our nice pineapple juice. See, look nice. So that's what we're going to use. And a little bit of olive oil. Alright, so these are all the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go to the stove. Alright, so here we have our pot heated. We're going to add some coconut. some olive oil. Yeah. Alright. We're going to quickly saute our onions. You can see the size that I have my onions in. Quickly saute them. And also our bell pepper. Just let them come out to the size where you want them. Yeah. As you can see, let's go with our bell pepper now. I like to do this before I add my pineapple juice, start to make that sauce. Just to give my onion and bell pepper a little smear. Alright, so as you can see, they're coming together. This one how we want them. Alright. So now we're going to remove all of these. And then, alright, so let's go in with our pineapple juice first. Good. So this time you're going to use your whisk to work on this procedure, alright? So, going with your tomato. All of your tomato sauce. Good. After your tomato sauce, kind of go on with it. You're going with all our sugar. So I'm actually using about 4 tablespoons of sugar there. Nicely. You can use any one of the sugar, the brown sugar, the white sugar, any one of them. Let's go with our white vinegar. Good. Right? So you're gonna allow that to come to a boil for about a minute, and then we add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so after a minute or two, as you see it come to a boil like this, you can see. Look at how beautiful it is. Let's go in with our pineapple back. Alright. Get that nice taste that you're looking for. Alright. We're going to also go in with a little bit of cornstarch. We use about a quarter teaspoon with a little bit of water, just to add as a thickening agent. Alright. So let's add this cornstarch to it. So let's start. You know, once you put in your cornstarch, sooner or later everything starts getting thicker. Alright, so allow it to come to another boil for a minute. Good, as you can see, started to get that thick look that you want. Alright, look how nice it is. Look at it. Started to come to that thick look that you're looking for. Let's go in with our bell peppers that we sauteed early on. Good. This is the sweet and sour sauce that you're looking for, alright? So your sauce is ready. So I'm going to walk you through the process to flour your chicken, alright? So you're going to remove your chicken. You're going to put it in the flour like this, nicely. Alright? And then you're going to put it on a dry container. Alright? So you're going to do this process for all of your chicken. And then we're going to take it to the pot to start doing our deep frying. Alright, so here we have our pot with about a cup of corn cooking oil that we're using. Here, heated. Our chicken over here nicely coated, as you can see. Ready to fry, alright? Nicely coated. Just to check if our oil is ready. Yeah. Start bubble up. So let's put in our chicken. Good. Remember, it's deep frying, you know, so whenever you put the chicken inside of it, it's supposed to cover. It's not going to take more than 5 to 7 minutes to fry. Alright? It's based on the size that you cut. As you can see, I try to use probably a more larger size than the regular size that we normally use for. So let's see how it works out. Alright, don't overcrowd your pot. As I always tell you when I'm doing my recipe, not to overcrowd your pot. Alright? You're going to allow those chicken to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes and then remove them. So as you can see after 3 minutes, this is how our chicken looks. This is the color. So you see how the cornstarch kind of give that flaky look that you're looking for. And that firm texture. So we said I did going with the regular small size. I'm going with a more larger size. And look how beautiful. Alright, so after 5 to 6 minutes, let's remove the first set. Look at how beautiful they are. Ready to come out. Look at them guys. Allow them to drain. Look. So the bigger the size of the chicken is the longer it takes to cook. Alright? Longer it takes to fry. Because you're using chicken breast, it's more easier to fry. So this is the color that we're looking for guys. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? Ready. So let's put in the second set. Alright, so all our meat has been deep fried. Look at it. Look at it guys. Real beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna add it to our sauce now. Add all our meat to our sauce. Good. This is our sweet and sour sauce. So go and stir it up. Gonna turn them over inside of it. Look at how beautiful it is guys. Close and personal. Look at it. Good to go. Just let's add a little bit of sesame seed. You have a little bit of sesame seed on top there. Alright. Look at it guys, ready. It's ready to serve. Let's sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on top there. Whoa. Yeah man. Look at how beautiful it is. Sweet and sour chicken make easy on the Fitzy cooking show, man. Alright, so we're going to serve out this on a nice container and let you guys see it. Close and personal. Look at it. Up close and personal. Ready? Good to go. And there you have it guys, your sweet and sour chicken. Look at how beautiful it is. Up close and personal. Yeah man, make easy in the Fitzy kitchen. I hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube and also on Instagram and on Facebook. Yeah, big up yourself ones. There you have it. Sweet and sour chicken. I'm out.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings.